I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze, in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout on my own.
Good morning, guys. Today is September 20, 2020, and I am at the PICC complex. Today I'm going to show to you the modifications I have made in my Benelli TNT 135. After riding this bike for just 2 weeks now, I can already say that this mini bike thinks it is a big bike. I especially like the superb handling and overall build quality and design of this Italian bike. The first thing I did is to remove the mudguard. Then I installed the plate holder beneath the pillion seat. I got the bracket from a motor parts store for 100 pesos. Next, I replaced the side mirror with the bar end type, which I got from 01 Moto for 550 pesos. Lastly, I had the stock headers replaced with a straight pipe by Orion Muffler Shop for 2,500 pesos.
Left to bleed out. But I rose up from the ground, just like I was built by